Have you ever been so deep in pain, people expect you to quit? What if you smile instead and kept going? That's how you take souls. Life is a fight you often lose on paper. The critics, the pain, the impossible odds. Most people break, then stay broken. But there's another path. To use your suffering as your weapon. In this chapter, taking souls isn't about crushing others. It's about shocking them by refusing to fold and showing them what real resilience looks like. Think of Stephen Hawking. ALS destroyed his body, but his mind kept going, shattering every assumption about the limits. Or Furiosa from Mad Max, not stronger than her oppressors, but unbreakable in spirit. Even Goggins himself is smiling through Hell Week when everyone thought he'd drop. The lesson? Don't hide your pain. Let them see it, and see you keep moving anyway. That's the soul-taking moment, when your scars scare them more than your strength. If this hit home, drop a "still here" in the comments. Like, subscribe, and tell me, when life expected you to quit, did you keep going? Remember, soul-taking isn't proving you're better. It's proving you keep rising beyond broken.